Give us 5 minutes and we'll give you the world. This is Seagull News with Edward Wade. I'm Edward Wake. Our top story today. After being closed for 6 months due to the COVID-19 pandemic, Seagull Services is finally opening back up for clients to return. Board members are not taking any chances with the client's health, so they are taking things one step at a time. They are starting with just 12 clients and are practicing social distancing at the workshop and on the vans. The clients could not be happier. Howard Huff is a senior member of Seagull's staff. Having served in many capacities for over 22 years, we caught up with Howard and he graciously agreed to take time out of his busy schedule to speak with us about what Seagull Services is all about.
Here at Seagull Services, what we do is we provide employment for our clients with disabilities. Jobs consist of mailings or putting together boxes and filling them with foam, or putting together small packages for hurricane supplies for during our hurricane seasons. And these are just a few of the type jobs that we do here in-house at Seagull in our workshop. Our clients are very eager and very anxious to come into work and get through their day. And they pretty much enjoy just waking up every morning and having somewhere to go to call their place of work and take it very seriously. A number of people that I've been working with here now for several years, I've grown to know them, and also work with them on a sport level. I'm also involved with Special Olympics, and that's another achievement that I like to see in our clients, keeping their health up, keeping them, exercised, and just giving them something to do every day or every weekend if we could. And so I like to think that, since I've been here for the 20 plus years, that I've contributed to their life and made things just a little bit easier for them, made it more enjoyable for them. And overall, that how serious we believe in them and we take them. Also, we have certain times of the year during History Month, our Black History Month, that we come out and we do our presentations of all the achievements that have been accomplished by some of the greats, and to have the clients take part in building those collages and building those boards, so that we can represent the person of choice for that time. It's pretty cool. Not only are they engaging and they're with hands-on materials, but being enriched and educated about their heritage and their history. About the history of Black history and so forth. So here is a great opportunity for Seagull and our clients, for them to continue to grow and become very, very important in society.
September the 11th marks 19 years since our country was attacked by terrorists. At Seagull, staff and clients remembered this day by saying the national anthem and with a moment of silence to commemorate the 2,977 souls who died on that dreadful day. We also had another moment of silence for the almost 200,000 souls that have died through the coronavirus so far. We'll be right back after a word from our sponsor.
Vote.
Vote.
Vote. Vote. Vote.
Vote.
Vote.
It was bittersweet as we said goodbye to one of the pillars of Seagull, our very own Linda Moore. We celebrated her retirement with a wonderful party that made us laugh and made us cry. Mrs. Moore's commitment and dedication helped build Seagull's 40-year legacy of service to the disabled in our community. Knowing her as a woman of almost unlimited energy and drive, we asked Linda what the next chapter in her life held.
Now, Miss Moore, since you are retired, what are your plans?
That is a very interesting question. Since I've been retired, I have been actively more involved in my mother's care. So that means going to the doctors a lot, which I did not anticipate upon my retirement, but family first. So, and thereafter, I continue to do some things as I'm able to insert them into my schedule, like support some families in our communities with their particular needs, as well as be active in the church and putting together some additional programs to support the community where the church is located in Delray Beach. So my life is pretty full, but I still have some thoughts about developing business opportunities where I no longer have to work for someone else, but I'm working for myself. So that's part of what I do is I contract with Seagull 10 hours a week, and I've been pretty steady with that since retirement. One last thing I want to do, and I think it's really important, at this time of my life I want to even further develop my relationship with my husband and my children, so that takes some time and energy. And then I want to travel as we wait for the truck to go by. I want to do some traveling, so that's a big part of my retirement plan as well. Do some traveling abroad as well as within the continental United States. That's it.
Miss Moore, thank you for your endeavors and for the future. And all of us at Seagull, we still love you very, very much.
On the lighter side, our own Elizabeth Burrell showed us that she could make the best of a stressful situation by color coordinating and accessorizing her mask. And that's the news from Seagull. Stay safe and good night.